Kung wala kayo, wala ako. I'll be the AJ who's like bed rotting every day. Lost, doesn't know what to do. Walang glory. I won't be happy. Be lost. Okay, thanks to all of you talaga. You guys changed my life. You guys are the reason why I met people. Why I'm here at this position right now because of you guys. Grabe. Kaya sobrang thankful ako sa inyo lahat. Sobra. Each of every one of you. Sana like you guys won't stop supporting me kahit after Mutya, kahit wala na. So I'm really anxious because after Mutya talaga, like wala na ako, wala nang projects, wala nang anything, like nothing. I'm anxious, you know. But hey, that happens. I'll be thankful pa rin because like, I don't know, maybe God has another plan for me. I'll be thankful for all the memories and for all the people I've met so far. And yeah, I'll be happy pa rin. I'm not sad, like, na-anxious lang ako. Like, tsaka sobrang thankful talaga ako sa inyo lahat. Each of every one of you. Alam ko like, I know, I couldn't show it like personally. But like, super thankful ako sa inyong lahat talaga. Super. Like as in, like from the bottom of my heart, God knows na sobrang thankful ako sa inyong lahat. Like, sa inyong lahat talaga. Thank you for supporting Mutiang Section E. Thank you for supporting me. Even my family, you guys supports already. Thank you for supporting the whole cast. Like each of every one of us. You guys change our life. Lalo sa akin. Like before Mutya, I'm nothing. I just wait till now naman like just started, but hey, at least I made baby steps because of you guys. Before Mutya, not even in school, I'm just in bed, rotting every day, thinking about like how I'm gonna reach my dreams, how I'll be this, how I'll be that, how I wanna do this. Like for Mutya, inisip ko I wanna do that, I wanna do this, I wanna do that. Pero naiiyak lang ako before because like I don't know how to. I don't know how will I start. Yeah, sorry for the yaps. Sorry for the yaps. Sorry for the yaps. Kala ko naglag ulit ako. Hindi, okay na. Sorry for the lag. Okay na ba? Thank you for supporting Mutya. Thank you for supporting Viva. Grabe. Thank you for supporting. I hope like hindi lang Mutya supportan nyo. Pati yung mga ibang films ng Viva. Pati yung mga university series. Panoorin nyo. Maganda rin. The great actors lahat sila sa mga university series. Nagagaling sila. Sila Lance. Sila Haya. Sila Aubrey. Super bait nila lahat. Sila Wilbert. Gab. Like all of them. Please support them then. Like they deserve recognition. Like each of every one of you support. Deserve nila. I love everyone. And also like habang wala pang Mutya, like support nyo rin like if ever nag-come out Drake Palma. Guys, like support Drake Palma, support Robin, support Drake, support my Drakey baby, support Drake Palma, support nyo si Robin. He's gonna kill that role. For sure, he's gonna kill that role. Each of everyone in the cast there, like, ang galing sila lahat. Deserve nila. Love you guys. Yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. Like. Anong viewers? Kanina dami. Nag-lag kasi ako kanina. Thank you all so much. Like the live. I love the whole cast talaga of Makiat. Sobrang close namin lahat. Mamahalin ko na lahat. I love Ashton. I love Andres. I love everyone. Kurt. Grabe. They're such humble people. Lalo sila Andres, Robin, Ashton, Yan. Grabe. Bait nila lahat. Sila Sam. Also nice. Keep supporting all of them. Talaga. They deserve every support. Pati yung mga sa university series, Liberty. Support nyo sila. Sila Lance, sila Aubrey, sila Wilbert, sila Haya, sila Gab. They're such great actors, great people. Hindi na AMSE support nyo sila din. They deserve it. Let's love. Love is everywhere. Let's just keep loving. That's right. Just love. Because if you love, you will receive love back. If not, then it's okay. If you won't receive the love back, it's okay. At least you love somebody. You love the person you tried loving. And like, be kind to everyone. Because you don't know ano pinagdadaanan ng mga lahat ng tao. They all have their own pinagdadaanan. I don't know if you guys get me and stuff, but all of you guys, like, all the people have their own life story, you know? Shit like that. So happy for y'all. Thank you for supporting me talaga. Hey, God's good. You guys are great. I love all of you. Lahat kayo nandito sa puso ko. Mahal na mahal ko kayo lahat. Also God. I love God. God's here in my heart. God first. And family. You guys are my family. Lahat kayo. Pamilya ko kayo lahat. Pamilya ko yung mga nasa mutya. Pamilya ko kayo lahat. Mahal na mahal ko kayo lahat. Super. Pamilya ko kayo. Grabe. Kahit hindi ko kayo kadugo. Pamilya ko kayo. Grabe. You guys make me happy. Sobra. Hindi ko lang napapakita, pero like, you guys make me happy. Maraming salamat. AJ, do you know speak Arabic? Yes. Marhaba. Where are you from? Marhaba po. Marhaba. Assalamualaikum. I know how to speak Arabic. Shway. Just shway. Yeah, yun lang guys. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Like naman, like. Like.